Hey guys, today we are fishing in our near lake and I want to show you something cool, our own electric pole mount for live transducers. It's made from stainless steel and aluminum parts, and we have no plastics, so it's really long lasting mount. It will not break. Everything is made so safely you can use it, and the rain will not make anything bad on your units here. The box is waterproof. We have electric box here that comes together with the set of stainless steel brackets here that you can mount on your boat. Basically we have our live transducer unit is mounted at the bottom that you can easily change. You can just switch the unit down and up, so you can change the views, the down view or the forward view. Well, we usually use the forward view. The down view is like not so popular in our country, but I know that in other countries it's really popular. So I will show you how the basics work. We have many things here. We have buttons and some mechanical things here, but I will explain you how everything is working here. So we have our unit here, our mount. When you're inside the boat, you always put it inside, so it doesn't be in a way of the docks and you don't break anything. It has a handle as well that you can lift down and lift up. So when you're on the water, it's easy. You just turn it there, one handle, and you're in the water and you're ready to go. You can just put it straight, so it's not lifting to any side, right? Because the boat is not always straight, parallel to the water. So we always need to regulate it to the left, to the right, to our side, from us to the other way. You can regulate any angle you need. You can get your correct angle, so everything is straight. If your boat has low sides, you can change the heights as well. You can just lift it up and it's in place. Yeah, it will not be too deep, so you will see your fish that is on the top of the water as well. It has electric motor that is waterproof as well. It's connected to the box, the controller box. In controller box we have many buttons. We have a potentiometer that with whom you can change the speed, how fast it's going left and right. It has a hold button. Hold button is meant for the guys who are searching the fish in higher speeds. So we will get water current when moving fast. So we are using this, so the unit will give a resistance. So it will not move away from the current's strength, right? So it will hold. You can move up to 8-10 kilometers per hour when using it. As well, it has the manual regulation for the same thing. This regulates the strength, how much it needs to move right and left. So you can use that as well as the extra caution. We have other buttons. We have a search button that turns on the search mode. And the angle of the search mode you can change in application in your phone. We have application for this unit as well. And if there are some kind of updates that are coming up, you can always update your unit by yourself. You don't need to send the box to us. So that's a really big help, you know, because there are people who are buying these things from many countries, and that's a big help for them. So you guys will not need us. You can do everything yourself. You can change the speeds as well. There is minimum speed, like it's almost not moving. It's moving really slow, or you can move it really fast. But you can change the speed even higher if needed, but I don't think you need that. But the cool stuff about this unit is that it has the target lock function that works with a gyroscope. And when the boat is moving to the right or left, when you see a fish or you see a structure, you can just stop it at it, and if the boat rotates of the wind or something, it will still hold the position. Like now we are turning to the right, the unit is turning to the left, and it's holding the position. And when we are going back, is going back as well. It's targeting the same place where you left it. So it's really cool stuff. Really cool stuff. For example, here is a fish. We are rotating, but we still see the fish all the time. The boat is moving, but we see the fish. You see, the fish is not going outside of the of our unit. We see it all the time. You see how the gyroscope works. We don't lose the fish. If the fish is standing plus minus on the same place, we don't lose it. Of course, if fish is moving, then we cannot do anything. If fish is moving outside of your sonar view, right? But yeah, that's a really big help for all the people who are just starting fishing with live transducers, and it doesn't matter if it's active target or is it live scope for Garmin Panoptics or is it Humminbird Mega Live unit. It works for all units. You can use this mount to any unit you want. Next thing about this, we have pedals. For example, you want to turn on the search function. You don't need always push the button. You can just hold both pedals at the same time and it turns on the search mode. When you see the fish, you just click it, it stops, and if you have turned on the gyroscope function or the target lock, it automatically targets that spot where you stopped. So it will hold that spot all the time. The pedals, we usually use with wire because then we will not lose it, right, when going on the big waves or something. But you can use these pedals without wire. It's connected with the Bluetooth to the box, and it has batteries and a built-in battery as well that will charge from the wire. We're just using two options because if something happens with original battery that is charging inside all the time, you can always use the basic batteries as well that are under each pedal here. To use without the wire, the pedal, you just unplug the wire, press the button, and it works without wires as well. I don't have with me, but you can use this unit with remote as well. The basic remotes are working with this box as well, and in application you can add up to 4 buttons that will each button will do different task. For example, one button turns to the left, second button turns to the right, third button turns on the gyroscope or the target lock function, and for example the fourth button will be the search mode button, right? So you can use the remotes as well. You can connect the remote to your fishing rod if you want. There are many kinds of people who are using it like that, or the guides who are using the remotes for their clients, right? They are just helping them to keep the fish on the target all the time. So yeah, this is really cool unit. I would say it's one of the best there are on the market. I think it would be really hard to find better ones. It's easy build, it's not too heavy, and you can use them with any transducers that you want. And yeah, when you finish fishing, you just one handle, go horizontally. I will change back the height, up, and other handle that will lift it up inside the boat, and you can just go where you want. The unit is inside the boat, so you will not break it. And it's easy to take off this mount as well. There is one button, you take it off, and it's completely off your boat. So the guys who like to take the unit, I don't know, with him to the home or something, you can do it with this mount. It's easy, no problem. So if you want this kind of unit, you can contact me. Down below there is a contact on TikTok or Facebook, and on the other corner there is our fishing tackle shop on Facebook. You can go there as well. So if you're interested, contact us and you will get a new mount.